So the message that I've been sharing with all the districts is that for this year, 2026, by the way, I shouldn't forget to I've congratulated Ugu. I must congratulate KZN for touching #1, I think for the first time, to the best of my recollection. KZN has never been #1. Where is Cindy? KZN has never been #1 in the history of the matric result. Eh? I suspect that you celebrated the whole month. And so, congratulations to KZN. And Ugu has contributed. Ugu has been consistent, by the way, to be among the top 10 districts in the Republic of South Africa. Give yourselves a big hand of applause. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your enormous sacrifice. So my message is that in 2026, whatever we do it with all our hearts. Do it with all your heart. Yenze ngenhliziyo yakho yonke. Is it what you're saying, Esizulu? Yes. Izame ngeSixhosa, our cousins, anyway. Whatever you do in 2026, do it with all your heart. And I like encouraging people by saying, start with yourself, my sister. Start with you. Whatever you do for yourself, do it with all your heart. Don't even think about selfishness. Do it with all your heart. When you go on one day and view your body, you don't want to be looking at an unhappy corpse. Somebody who's sitting with an unfinished business, lying there, still, but unhappy. Do it with all your heart. Whatever you do to your partner, do it with all your heart. If you go and buy your partner something, get the best thing ever. Don't get the cheapest in the shop. Whatever you do for your children, do it with all your heart. And I was saying to some colleagues, I want my wife, when I'm gone one day, to say, I had the best husband ever in the world. The best dad. The best dad in the world. The best mother in the world. The best grandmother. The best grandfather in the world. Do it with all your heart. And 3 things that I've isolated from this. The first one is diligence. Diligence. I use the analogy of the sweeper. Sweeper. That don't sweep anything under the carpet. The problem is that after sweeping something under the carpet, it's in the nature of human beings to forget. And you'll come walk over that carpet. Because it's uneven, the likelihood is that that carpet might be your own booby trap. You might trip over it and fall and break your leg or break your neck. Don't sweep anything under the carpet. Make sure that you do everything that you do diligently. Number 2, do whatever you do as though there's no tomorrow. Today is given, but there is no guarantee for tomorrow. People might hear that Mweli was meeting with the broad management of Ugu District and he just collapsed. And that was the end of him. He expired. Today is a gift. Tomorrow, no guarantees. Do whatever you do as though there's no tomorrow. Lastly, do whatever you do that even your ardent enemies, people who hate you with passion, when they look at your deeds, they must celebrate your deeds. Celebrate them and say, we hate that man, but his